difficult to do. And I got it from a YouTuber named Beaks, who does a bunch of PC builds, and he's really innovative and does some insane stuff. So his link will be at the top of the description if you want to go check him out. And anyways, let's get into this. So basically, you start with a ramp in front of you, and then you go 2 floor lengths back, and you start your ramp actually here. So you just have that one sitting there for a second, and then you actually do the first ramp rush that I posted on my channel to begin with. And you place the stair down there, the floor right here, the wall, then the stair. Then this is when the actual ramp rush starts. So you have to come to the edge right here, and you have to be looking high enough to where it builds right there instead of this one. So you build that one first, and then you quickly have to jump, look down, build this, and get up on this. And it's just a continuous cycle of extending that, giving more protection if someone's shooting you from the front, and then just like that. And I'll show you what it looks like. So it's gonna look like that. It's like the regular ramp rush that I posted on my channel, and then the extension of that. And it's not really something I'm gonna be using because it's very tough to get down, but it's just a cool little thing. If you really do get good enough at it, it could be really effective. So you really just mostly got to work on when to jump, where to look, and just the timing of all, because it's really timing based, because it can be really difficult. Yeah, that's pretty insane. Alright, so now I'm gonna work on getting it down, and hopefully I can get a pretty nice run for you guys. That's pretty good. Alright, well that's gonna be it. You know, this is the best I could do, and I don't know if I could ever get it down 100%. Alright, that's gonna be it. This is definitely the hardest ramp rush I've ever tried to learn on console. I don't even know, man. The timing and clicking all the buttons on just a small little controller it's not the easiest. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.